All right, Summer from Summer Sleep Secrets, and we are sharing our twin series. Right now, we're actually going to be talking about bathing your babies before they go to bed. Now, some people and cultures will bathe in the morning, and that is totally fine, and it's whatever your culture is. But when I'm teaching a client about their newborns, I do tend to do the bath at bedtime because, for one, I'm trying to get them calm and to keep them warm and cozy. Now, some families are like, oh, my baby is like screaming at bath time. It's an ordeal. I don't like it. Now, first off, we want to look at is what does the bath look like? Is it comfortable for the baby? So we know we have these big plastic bins that we put our babies in, right? In the sink or next to the sink, or you're sitting in the tub. We want to make sure that you put a towel down. Put a thick towel in there and then fill it up with warm water. So they're actually in a very cozy place versus laying in just plastic. We want to make sure the temperature is appropriate for their age and that it's nice and warm. You can also lay the towel over their belly to keep them warm as you bathe them and wash each part of their body. Each bath should only be no longer than 2 or 3 minutes. Babies do not need to soak or stay in the tub for any means. It's a wash down, get them clean. Underneath their necks is really important because all that spit up goes down here. And I've seen clients with buildup around their neck because we didn't wash behind their ears and get around there. So make sure you're cleaning your baby from head to toe. Bath time, once it's completed, you're going to be putting them in their PJs right next to the bath. You want everything set up next to them. So have their PJs, have their lotion, the diaper, and you get them quickly dressed right after they're removed from the bath. Now with twins, it's a little more complicated, but not too much. So I usually put the other twin in a little bouncy chair while I bathe the first one. So baby A is bathed, dressed, ready to go. We switch. We move the baby. We put the baby in the bouncy chair, and then we pick up the next baby and we do the bath. In total, we don't spend more than about 8 minutes total with both babies bathing them. It's in and out. It's efficient. Before we even get started with the bath, I've already prepared the bottles or we've already set up mom to nurse. So everything with twins is preparation. Be prepared, get it completed, and you're all set to go. And yes, every day can feel like Groundhog's Day, but you'll really appreciate this as they get older. Things will get a lot easier.